Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will explain you about the hotspot problem in your device Vivo T1 5G. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move towards the video. If you are having any issue regarding the hotspot in your device Vivo T1 5G, it is not connecting or not turning on, you can solve this issue by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the hotspot problem in your device.